Welcome to Bitcoin 101, Beginner's Guide to Making Money with Cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates on a decentralized network called blockchain. It offers exciting opportunities for newcomers to make money. To get started, you'll need a digital wallet to store your Bitcoins. These wallets can be downloaded on your computer or mobile device. Once you have a wallet, you're ready to buy and sell Bitcoins. One popular way to make money with Bitcoin is through trading. Similar to stock markets, you can buy low and sell high to make a profit. Keep an eye on market trends and analyze the charts to spot potential opportunities. Another way to earn money is through Bitcoin mining. This process involves using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. In return, miners are rewarded with new Bitcoins. However, mining requires a substantial investment in hardware and electricity. If you're not interested in trading or mining, you can also earn Bitcoin by offering goods or services and accepting Bitcoin as payment. Many online retailers and businesses now accept Bitcoin, opening up new avenues for earning. However, it's important to note that Bitcoin's value can be volatile and unpredictable. Make sure to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Remember to stay informed about the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency market. You can also join online forums and communities to connect with other Bitcoin enthusiasts and learn from their experiences. Thanks for watching this beginner's guide to making money with Bitcoin. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content.